Black water and clear skies, in the land of the pines. I must have Florida on my mind. A place like this is hard to find. Black water and clear skies, in the land of the pines. I must have Florida on my mind. The river flows gently, whispers in the breeze, memories of laughter dancing through the leaves. Sunshine rise on the ocean, painting the horizon white. In this paradise I just want to reside. Every single moment I cherish and I find, it's not surprising that I have Florida on my mind.